Yes, so today we're looking into this problem. Minimum cost to find the array which can be made as equilindromic. So basically, what is equilindromic is here is the array should be consisting of only one palindrome. So we need to take a positive integer x and find the total cost. Total cost is like add the difference between that element and the nums of I, and we'll be changing that nums of I to x. Okay, so finally, um, the array should be consisting of only one palindromic integer, that is y. So so like this is the question. So we need to find the minimum possible cost to make the nums equilindromic. So let's dive into the question. So this is the array. So you need to find some palindrome y. Okay. So in which the difference between the elements and the y should be minimum. Then only the cost will be minimum. So that is the basic understanding. Okay. The cost is minimum. So difference between that y and nums of I should be minimum. So to optimize this, we can use the medians. So median is nothing but the middle value in a set. Like it's one of the parameter in statistics in calculating the mean. So it's basically the middle value after the sorting. Okay. So let's take another example. Let's say 6 to 10 to 21 to 24. So let's after sorting, this is the array. Okay, let's remove this thing. It's fine. So we have 5 elements now. So this is the median. So in here we have one palindrome here, and here 2 1 2, here 2 2 2. So these are the nearest possible palindromes for this set. So to optimize the solution, we'll be moving towards these palindromes step by step. Okay, and we'll be finding the difference between this palindrome or maybe this palindrome, whichever comes first. Um, so we'll be finding the difference between these elements. I'll put it in another color. These things, and we'll sum up these differences. Okay, we'll find so we'll get some value x. Maybe from here you may get some another value y. So you don't know whether which is greater. So we'll be taking minimum of x comma y. So that's the solution. So code wise, you will start from n by 2, and the decrement will start from mid, and increment start from mid, so that decrement will move slowly towards this direction. So while that is not palindrome, decrement whenever that is not palindrome, decrement it Whenever this is not palindrome, increment it. So you will return min finder, comma, sorry, this should be math.min, min finder of array, comma, increment, min finder of array, comma, decrement. That min finder is nothing but it basically calculates the difference between that and this is increment or decrement. This is nums array. So sum is 0 for int I nums for each loop. Sum will be sum plus add those values. And it should be like absolute value I minus n. Okay. Return sum. This is nothing but this action, calculating the differences and summing up. So you are getting x value here. This is x. This is y. You're calculating the minimum value. That's it. That's the answer. So you can find the code here, sorting the array, mid, calculating the mid, and while it's not palindrome, increment, while the decrement is not palindrome, decremented, calculate the minimum. This is a basic method which will calculate its palindrome or not. So min is nothing but calculating the sum. I mean the difference between those elements, sum of those differences. Yeah, that's it.